Hey guys, how are you all? My name is Ruchi. Today is Eid and on this special occasion I have brought a special recipe with you called sheerkhurma. So let's start. Here I have taken my green cardamom and peeled them. Now in a deep pot I'm gonna take about half a tablespoon of ghee that we also call clarified butter. Now I'm gonna add my dry fruits, also my green cardamom. We will roast them on low flame for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring it, don't burn them. Slowly they are changing their color. Now they are ready, so we are gonna transfer in our plate. Now in the same deep pan, I'm gonna add my seviya and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Do the same process that we did for our dry fruits. We are gonna roast them until they are light brown on very low flame. Guys, they have changed their color. Now they are golden. We are gonna transfer them in our plate. Now in the same deep pot, I'm gonna put my milk. Once my milk starts boiling, I will add my 3 tablespoons of condensed milk along with 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. In case you don't have condensed milk, use extra milk and boil it until it becomes like rubbery texture, like a thick texture. I have added 3 cut dates. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Anything sweet I make, like any dessert, I always put pinch of salt. That gives a balanced flavor to our desserts. After 2 minutes of boiling, I'm gonna add my seviya to the milk. Make sure that you keep stirring your milk, otherwise our sheerkhurma will burn and whole process will get waste. Now I'm adding my half dry fruits, half I will save for the presentation of our sheerkhurma. Guys, you can see our milk has become thick. In total, we will cook this milk for about 10 minutes. For any information or feedback, please comment in the comment box. I will be happy to hear from you guys. Guys, our milk has become very thick now. It's ready. Now we are gonna serve in our serving bowl. With the remaining dry fruits, I'm gonna decorate my sheerkhurma. Guys, this looks amazing and it tastes incredible. This is a very simple recipe, anybody can make it, but you are gonna get lots of applause from your family and your friends. Do try this recipe. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.